Hi friends, how are you all? I'm fine. In this video we are going to see that how to make partition. How to make partition of your SD card, your flash drive or your hard disk or your SSD. And you may ask, what is the use of making a partition? Making a partition means if you are having a one USB, when it's plugged into your device, it will be showing only one. I mean kind of local disk. When you are going to make it a partition, that time when you are going to plug in the same USB or whatever it's in your device, it will be showing two parts. Same local disk and local disk only, but we can change its name into two parts. If you are having a USB of 16 GB, we will make it a partition of equal size. 8 GB plus 8 GB is equal to 16 GB. Like that we are going to make it. If your USB is going to get it corrupted also, only one local disk will be corrupted and another will be safe. And another will be corrupted and the first one will be safe. It is useful for this. Partition is useful for this kind of safety. So before we go into the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, so when I put a video you will get us a notification. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now you have to go to the bottom taskbar. In that you can see Windows logo, start menu. Right click over there and you should go to disk management over here. Click. Then it will take some few seconds for loading. Yeah, it came already. Now I have connected a hard disk which contains of 74.53 GB. Now I want to make this into a partition as a disk 2. Now for that you have to click and you have to select that and right click on it, then go to shrink volume and it will take some few seconds for calculating the space. Then it will automatically catch the half, exactly the half of the disk. Now I'm putting shrink. It has been unallocated. It has already, the partition has been created, but it has been unallocated. But now we have to make this into a primary partition. For that we have to right click, new simple volume, next, and here you can change the alphabet which you want. If you want you can change it. I want H, so I'm putting as into H. I'm putting next, and you can change your name, which one you want. And here you can select which format you want, NTFS or EXFAT, FAT, as you wish. Now I want NTFS, so select NTFS, next, finish. Now it is formatting, so we have to wait for some few minutes. Yeah, it has been formatted and it has been a healthy partition also. You can see primary partition. This is disk 1 and this is disk 2. I'll show you in the into this PC. You can see new volume. This is my old one and this is my new one. You can see this is my new one and that is my old one. In this video we saw that how to make partition of your hard disk, SD card, flash drive and SSD. I hope that you all enjoyed the video and came to know it. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, so when I put a video you will get us a notification. Then I see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye.